Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I wanted to do a video showing you guys how I do my bun on a regular basis with my natural hair. I try not to do this too often because it does stretch out my curls, but this is one of my favourite hairstyles, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So this is what we're starting off with. I'm just going to shake my hair about. My hair doesn't have much product in it, so at the moment it's quite fluffy. This is just from an old twist out. So I'm going to do my slick bun or sleek bun, whatever you want to call it, and you guys will see how I do it. For any of those wondering, my hair type is 4B and 4C hair. So I just want to make sure my hair is parted down the middle neatly. Go through that again. I can't find my fishtail comb, so I'm just going to use this. I know usually people kind of dampen their hair with like normal water, but I've been using rice water recently. So this is fermented rice water. I've had it for about 3-4 days, and this is some really good stuff, guys. My edges have massively improved from using rice water. When I had my lace frontal, I was getting lazy with my lace frontal, so I was applying the spray and got to be gel like pretty much on my hairline, and my edges were kind of like not gone but sliding back, shall I say. But now they've improved massively, and yeah, I'm pretty much happy with it. And I'd say if you haven't tried rice water, definitely give it a try. It's really good, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, the only bad thing is that it does smell bad, so if you have like lavender essential oil or something to help with the smell, then definitely go ahead and do that. So let's just dampen the areas. And some people usually wash out rice water, but you can actually leave it in your hair, so yeah, you don't have to wash it out. Oof, I can smell it and it doesn't smell good at all. So my hair's shrinking back up, so you can see pretty much that I've dampened that really well. I do have low porosity hair as well, so my hair dries really quickly. So even when I do this, obviously I'm going to leave it to set with the gel and stuff, but it doesn't take long to dry because my hair doesn't take long to dry. And I am going to just do a little bit of the ends of my hair because that bit is also going to be moisturised. And I do want my curls to be just a little bit more defined in the tail. Usually I would go in with my leave-in conditioner, but I've run out of that, so I'm going to use an alternative, which is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. Whatever is left in there, just to add some moisture. And this is a hairstyle that I do actually wear on a regular basis, but I've been trying my best to not do it too much because I don't want it to ruin my curl patterns, because obviously I'm stretching my hair out. Even though my previous video using the protein treatment was filmed about 3 months ago, my curls are still not 100% there, so yeah, I just kind of want to avoid ruining any of my curl patterns. The wetter my hair is, the less gel I have to use, I find anyway. So, and my hair's not super thick. I know some people have like really thick hair. So next I'm going to use my double buttercream from As I Am. This is very moisturising, so I love using that, but also gel does have a tendency to dry out your hair, so that's another reason why I like to do this before adding in any gel to my hair. And I am quite generous with this product as well. It's nearly finished anyway, so I'm just going in with some black castor oil next. This I usually go on my edges with. Any areas that the gel's going, basically it's where I'm putting these oils. So now we're ready to go ahead with the gel. Yep, you can see my hair's pretty much shrunken up, so let's get this gel applied ASAP. So the gel I'm going to be using is this bad boy right here, which is the Wet Line Extreme Gel. This is my favourite gel. I absolutely love it, hence why I bought such a big tub. The only annoying thing is I bought this tub for £15. This is in the UK. This originates from the US, and obviously I'm not going to be paying not only shipping charges but custom charges just to get a tub of gel for like $1.99. I've seen videos of some people going like in between their hair, but I don't like doing that. I don't want to apply that much gel to my hair. And I don't think I need that much just to get this hairstyle, so I pretty much just go ahead and do this. It's a lot easier for me to do this hairstyle when I've just washed my hair and I'm coming out the shower. I do the exact same thing except I do use a leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to take my hard brush and I'm being very gentle when I'm doing this on my edges. So that's what we're looking like at the minute. And I'm going to apply a little bit more gel here. I always get it on my skin, that's why I do it before I put on my makeup. Look at that juicy spot just staring at me. I'm not going to lie, this is a bit of a workout because my arms are hurting right now. Just want to pull up my hair so there's no lumps. I'm going to go back in and just re-wet my hair because I can feel it drying up in this area here. And I'm going to add some more gel to this part here. So there's some lumps and bumps at the back because that part of my hair is quite dry. Right, I'm going to start smoothing out my edges now. And don't worry if when it's like this, it's not very sleek, because we're going to wrap it in a headscarf, which will very much assist with having that sleek look. I always try not to be too harsh on my edges. Right, so I'm pretty much happy with how that's looking now. Any areas that may need some more gel, just apply it. Because obviously my whole hair wasn't wet, so that's why it's like, it only takes a little bit longer when my whole hair isn't wet. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. And I'm just going to put my headscarf on, which will set everything else. My ponytail I'm going to leave like this and then make it in a bun once like everything's set. Because I want this bit to set as well, I'm just going to tie it into a ponytail, or should I say around my ponytail, which will help with this bit being sleek. So yeah, that's everything. This is how I usually tie it up. I don't like doing this the night before because the results are never the same, so I usually do it on the day. So I will show you guys the finished results very shortly. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm in a rush, so I'm going to nip out in a jiffy. It's not completely dry, but for the most part it is. And yeah, anyways, that was just a quick video of, just quick so to speak, of how I do my bun on a regular basis. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please make sure you thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Bye.